Welcome back to Culinary Museum, where we transform everyday ingredients into extraordinary dishes. I am Chef Mohamed Abdell, and today we have a special treat for you: crab risotto with saffron mussels. Let's dive right in. First thing first, we will cook the clam on the saffron stock. Let's start. Fish stock, confit garlic, oregano, olive oil. Mix up saffron. Let it boil for 30 seconds. Then mussel. Mussel mix. Let it reduce for 2 to 3 minutes. Then black pepper and salt. Not so much. A little bit more olive oil. Blast it. Mix. Now just put it on the side in a small bowl. And now crab risotto time. Let's dive in. First thing first, olive oil. Confit garlic. Arborio rice. Oregano. Then fish stock. Mix. Crab in. Butter in. Mix. Truffle oil. Mascarpone cheese. Mix. And now time for plating up. Let's do it. Risotto in. Now let's fix this risotto. Now we put the saffron mussel on top. One more mussel here. Lime zest. Bit of saffron. Now let's explain the dish. We have the crab risotto. We have the saffron mussels, and finish it with lime zest. Thank you for joining me today in a Culinary Museum. And now, tell me, what other seafood dishes would you like to see? Let me know in the comments below.